How to find and recover deleted Facebook messages. Need to recover a conversation you removed from your inbox on Facebook Messenger? We are here to help. I am Rose and I'll guide you to find and recover deleted Facebook messages. Without further ado, let's get started. So first we recommend to check your message archive as recovering messages from here is much simpler process and your deleted messages could likely be in your archive. So the next thing you can do is simply launch Facebook app and hit to the three-line menu icon at top right. Scroll down, select Setting and Privacy. Choose the Settings option and now select See More in Account Center. Tap Your Informations and Permissions option and tap on Download Your Information. Choose Download or Transfer Informations and select a specific type of information. Afterwards, you need to scroll down and check Mark Message and tap the Next button. Tap on Download to Device and make sure that you create files. After that, your information will be prepared for download. Once it gets downloaded, you will be notified on your email. You simply need to access it and then unzip the file. Then you can easily check your deleted Facebook messages and recover from there. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.